Good afternoon, guys. Cole Mrozak here with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're looking at the all-new 2027 Isuzu NPR HD Gas. So this is a 14,500 pound gross vehicle weight rating truck. This one's the crew cab, so we're seating 7 here. This does have that gas engine in it. It's the 6.6 liter GM engine. It's got 350 horse paired up with the 6-speed automatic transmission. On the back of this truck, we have the Wil-Ro open body landscape bed. So perfect for all your landscape applications. We're gonna start with the cab here and then we'll take a look at the body first. So starting with the cab, it's the cab over design, what Isuzu is famously known for. It's got the 8 feet of visibility from driver to ground, maximizing your maneuverability and agility in urban environments. So especially in neighborhoods, the cab over design is massively preferred. We'll go ahead and take a look here at the inside of the cab. I'll go around the other side. As I mentioned, this seats 7 comfortably, so 3 in the front, 4 in the back. This truck does come with power windows and door locks, as well as remote control heated mirrors. So your remote for the mirrors is up top. It controls both the upper and lower mirror on both sides. It's very nice. And then again, the windows are power, door locks are power. You have your 7-inch Alpine touchscreen display. So you have a backup camera on this truck along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's my favorite feature of this truck. It's great. Middle seat here folds down into a workstation, which is common amongst all Isuzus. And you have your heavy duty floor mats, which do come standard. Storage all across. If there's anything you'd like to add, any customization you'd like to do, we're more than capable of doing that with our body shop in-house. So just let us know. I'll come around and we'll take a look at the business end of the truck. So as I mentioned, this is your Wil-Ro open body landscape stake bed, guys. These are extremely popular, especially here in Texas. So it's 14 feet long with your 5-foot ramps off the back. You do have drop sides on both sides, as you can see here. You can't really see it, but behind it we have an underbody toolbox, which we're able to add on both sides if you prefer. Up front, you have your water cooler rack, lockable blower box up top, galvanized steel flooring, and then on the other side, if you can see it, you have your shovel rack holding about 6 shovels, rakes, etc., whatever you need. Comes standard with the weed eater racks. These are lockable, holding 3 weed eaters. You have your expanded metal over your floors here, or excuse me, over your ramp, allowing for maximum grip. Heavy duty ramps and springs. The weight capacity on these is 6,000 pounds. So your 0 turns push mowers, maybe if you're running a baby skid, depends on the weight. If you do need a little bit heavier duty ramps, they do offer a hydraulic assist ramp that's capable of 9,000 pounds. So if you're running, again, a baby skid, we can work for that. We can build you the truck for that. Coming around the side, again, as you can see here, we have tons of space underneath. We can do toolboxes, underbody fuel stations we've had customers add. It's fully customizable. A lot of room here to work with. Stirrup step on either side for easier accessibility. But yeah, guys, that's a quick rundown. Again, this is the 2027 Isuzu NPR HD Gas. Again, it's 14.5 GVWR, so well under CDL limits. Again, my name's Cole. Thank you for visiting us at Industrial Power. If there's anything you guys need, any questions, please click the link below or give us a call. Thank you, guys.